How to find out NSF Viewer and launch the software. First of all, type Betavare NSF Viewer in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch NSF Viewer and click on the Finish button. How to view NSF file with this software. First, you need to install NSF Viewer on your computer and open it. Then click on the Browse button for the Select NSF file. There is a preview of your NSF file. How to uninstall the NSF Viewer software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a Program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the View NSF file.